Hi guys, my name is Alessa and on this channel we discuss tips and tricks on how to find foreign girls. European, American, Russian and Australian. It doesn't matter who you are looking for, you'll definitely succeed and I will help you. Today's theme is how to make a girl wait for you. If you're interested in this topic, support my vlog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. So let's go! The first example, it illustrates another smart compliment. In my video on chatting with girls, I advise you not to say that the girl is beautiful in general, but to highlight one detail. This way she'll understand that you really pay attention to her. And then the guy stops the chat, making her wait and think about him, creating a certain lack of communication. Great move. Hi, you have cute dimples on your cheeks. Hello. Thank you. I didn't like them before. This is your thing. It makes you unique. You're right. And you're in good shape. Do you go to the gym? Yes, from time to time. Okay, I'm heading to work. May I write you in the evening? Sure. Later. Hi. It was a hard day. Hope you have a good one. Yes, not bad. What movie would you advise to relax? Watch a comedy. Thank you. By the way, would you like to go to the movies this weekend? I do. I haven't been there in ages. Great. Not only girls can ignore guys, you too can take a little time and the girl will check her phone in hope that you've already written her. The second example, a guy found something in common between himself and the girl, though he hasn't noticed her in the crowd of a coffee stop. The girl could have got offended, but he immediately complimented her and offered to fix it. Hi, I've noticed that you like to have breakfast at the coffee house. Yes, I go there often. Me too. I love this place, especially their almond croissants. This is their specialty. How come we haven't met there yet? Maybe you didn't notice me. I would definitely have noticed such a girl. Let's fix it. When will you go there next time? I'm going there on Saturday morning. Great! I'll be there waiting with an almond croissant and a coffee. Again, the girl will wait not for a message, but for a date. Use this trick, but be careful not to offend her. Get her interested and when you meet, the girl will look irresistible so that you definitely notice her among others. Are you afraid to ignore the girl? Have you tried this trick? Have it worked? Write in the comments. So, I'll finish at this point. How did you like these examples? Share your impressions on the video. Also, send me your chats for anonymous analysis. I'll tell you which parts were cool and will give you some notes on what to improve. Subscribe, hit like, hit the bell if you haven't already. Bye bye!